What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. As you can see, got a little something done with my hair. It's a bit too short, but it will grow back. But for today, I've got some more yellow lights that came in. I already have them for a while, but I've just today come around to doing it. These are for the fog lights in the front. I already did the, I think it's high beams, which are in the kinda same place as the low beams. The headlights had to come out for that, but I already did that in a previous video, which I will link down below. So I just did that off camera, but I will show you how it looks. And then we have the daytime driving lights, which are right next to the fog lights. I couldn't find any other glasses to mount on there, yellow glasses, so I will be taking the glass off and try wrapping it with a yellow headlight foil. And well, it's the first time for me, so we'll kind of see how it goes. So I got everything I will need today laying ready here. I got a heat gun, which is just laying aside so I can quickly grab it. First I'm gonna go and change out the fog lights, because that will be the easiest. And then I'll show you how everything looks. Maybe I'll show you first how the high beams and the low beams look right now. This is what we had done in an earlier video. It's hard to see on camera, but it is yellow, as you can see on the wall. And then, well, what I did off camera is the high beams, and well, that lights up the place a little bit more. And yeah, that's how it looks. I like it a lot better than the white light. It's also, well, a little bit nicer for other drivers. It's not as blinding as, well, the usual white lights, and that's why I also like it a bit more. But now I'm gonna go on and start changing out the fog lights. For the fog lights, and there's a really nice instruction in the instruction manual if you have one. It's not too hard. You just need to, well, be a little bit brute, but careful at the same time. So you take the corner and you turn it down and outward, and then like that you have the piece off. Down in here, if you can see, yes, the rusted screw, and then at the bottom you have the same rusted screw. Those will need to come out, and well, if the manual is right, that should make it able to get out the fog light. So let's hope that's true. So that's it. I put the camera on the tripod. This will make it a little bit easier for me, as I now have my two hands that I can use. I'm not sure how this comes apart yet, but I think I will figure it out. Okay. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be, and then it's just turning and the bulb comes out. So I'm gonna really quickly open up the new ones like that, and then this one out. So the new bulb, because it goes in as the other one came out. As I just came to notice, two bulbs aren't exactly the same, so I'm gonna try if I can trim it a little bit. As you can see, this is a bigger one on the original. This is small enough, and then, well, they're just positioned differently. So this one is too big, so I'm gonna try and take both bulbs and, well, trim it off a little bit, and hopefully that fits.
A few moments later.
So I took my Dremel tool and took a tiny bit off, hopefully enough. So let's try and fit this thing. Well, that's a lot better. So now I can get this back in the car. I'm gonna put the screws in and then try to get that glass out, and then we can move on to the other side. So my plan A wasn't really working, so I'm gonna try this the other way. Wrap it here by the car itself. It won't be easy. It will be cold wrapped because I do not have any heat here. So yeah, it's kind of a, well, first time for everyone, I guess. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes nicely. If it does not, well, I'll have to try and find another way to do this. You are the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny, and I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. With the best, you fucking with NEFFEX. Yeah. I don't even know what else to say. You let that 808 right out though. Yeah. This isn't working. I don't know how I can make it work, but it's not like this. So I'm gonna move over to the other side, change out that fog light, and well, this will kinda sort of stay how it is right now. Well guys, moving on to the other side for the fog lights. On the other side, the daytime running lights, the tinting didn't work. That's why I, well, do not claim to be making how-to videos. They're just a little bit instructional, but there's a lot of learning in it for me too. But I like to share the fails that I have in my videos, so people can also learn from that, or maybe help me with some tips and tricks down in the comments below. So if maybe you have some tips on wrapping these daytime running lights, be sure to leave them below. If you have better wrapping material for it, also be sure to leave it down below. I'll check it out and maybe it will help me in the future. But now I'm just gonna change out this fog light on my Porsche, and well, then we'll probably be calling it a day. So again, we have these two screws. A longer screwdriver would be handy, but gets the job done. So this is, well, not this, but I'm almost at that point where I messed up. On the other side, no, this side is different. So, well, I'm gonna get the camera in with the tripod if it works. So, on this side, well, it works a little bit different, but here you have a little hole where this part of the light fits in, but on the other side you also had a little border where some other parts of the light needed to fall in. Well, this side doesn't have it, so I had better shown it to you on the other side, but it is what it is. Well, same as the other side. For the rest of it, this one seems to be a little bit more stuck, but it's okay. We have screwdrivers, we have, well, other aidings if we need to. There's a lot of sand in there. And just like that, that light is also changed. So plug it in, make sure it's nice and snug. Get the one part in the hole first, and then the rest will be going pretty okay. And these ones go in the same way as they came out. A little bit at an angle, some fiddling around, it's okay. Just like that. And then a few clicks. So all of the lights are mounted. I couldn't do the wrapping of the daytime running lights, as I said. It's also kind of a learning curve for me. I'm doing my best with the space I have, which isn't a lot. But yeah, if you got any tips about the foil, about how I can get the glosses off, please leave them down below. Would be a great help. But I'm also going to be looking into this. If I found a way, I will be sure to share it with you. But well, now that everything is in, let's have a look and see how it is. So, as you can see on the wall behind me, there's the normal lights. Then I have fog lights, and well, let's put the high beams on as well. You can see, well, that's really yellow, for me at least. Well, unfortunately, for the two at the bottom, they are white.
I'm just fucking lit, man, I'm just fucking lit. Drink a bottle of this shit, man, bottle of this shit. I'm about to write a hit, man, about to write a hit. No, I'm never gonna quit, man, never gonna quit. I just took another hit, man, took another hit. I'm about to lose my shit.
I think it looks great, I really like it. Just how I want it. So that's actually a pretty cheap mat. I think it cost me around 30 euros for all of the bulbs, if it even was that much. So that's a really cheap mat. It totally changes how the car looks in the dark. Normally it is legal to change the bulbs into yellow. I got all the paperwork with me, but well, we'll see. But guys, as always, hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I'm not making how-tos, I'm just making videos of me doing this stupid stuff and sharing it with you, so it's also a learning curve for me, but some people might pick up something in these videos. So yeah, if you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below, well, help me with the daytime running lights, and as always guys, see you in the next one. I'm out.